Hi everyone, welcome back to Playing Error. Today we're tackling something special. A limited edition figure from Uying Studio based on the science fiction animation Planet Green Valley. It depicts a world ravaged by an earthquake that left governments in ruins. The Planetary Union, with its superior military might, is striving to bring peace to this shattered world. Let's get this unboxing started. We've got a wide array of weaponry, and the attention to detail is striking. The overall proportions of the figure are excellent. The sculpt is dynamic and realistic, and the paint job enhances the overall texture beautifully. The color scheme is perfect for the Planet Green Valley aesthetic, and it really pops. The joints are incredibly smooth and flexible. You can easily pose the figure in a variety of dynamic stances. This allows for a huge range of possibilities when creating action scenes or displaying the figure. The tactical vest is so detailed. You can open it up on both sides to dress the figure, and there's even a hole in the back for attaching the backpack. You can detach the lower body to easily attach the utility belt, and the legs can be separated to add the leg pouch. A small pistol that can be fit perfectly into the leg pouch. The combination of detailed sculpting, excellent paintwork, and superb articulation makes this figure a dream for collectors. It's a remarkable piece. The limited production run makes it a highly collectible item, but the quality justifies its rarity. Perfect for military figure and action figures collectors. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll enjoy this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unboxing and reviews.